Last week in New South Wales, a record 738,000 people got vaccinated. An outstanding result, and I want to thank everybody for coming forward to do that. We're up to 5.9 million jabs in New South Wales. I'd set a target of 6 million by the end of the month, and it looks like we'll be at least a week ahead of schedule. There were 818 cases of community transmission, with at least 42 of them infectious in the community. 3 people lost their lives overnight. We extend our deepest condolences. All 3 were in their 80s. All 3 had underlying conditions. It was 2 males and 1 female. I also wanted to stress this morning that we're all going through the roller coaster ride of emotions as case numbers go up and down. But the number we really need to focus on is the vaccination rate. Once we hit 70% double dose, we'll be able to live life more freely. And once we get to 80% double dose, essentially would have normalised the way that we treat COVID. As the Doherty report says, once you get to 70% double dose vaccinations, you start to transition and treat COVID as you would the flu in terms of how you record hospitalisations and how you record the way the community is going. Now, I know what New South Wales is going through now is a difficult time, is a very challenging time, one which I hope none of us have to experience in our lifetimes again. But every state is going to have to go through the transition of going back to normality. And whilst our transition perhaps happened sooner and more starkly than what we had envisaged, every state, once you get to 80% double doses, every state's going to have to live with COVID. And you can't keep Delta out forever. You can't assume there'll be 0 cases, even if you've had 0 cases today. And so I really urge all of us to keep working together in New South Wales and across the nation to make sure we provide health and safety to all of our citizens as much as possible, but also we focus on what life looks like in just weeks and months away. And in fact, New South Wales is doing better than we anticipated in our vaccination rates, and I'm hoping to give updates to the community on when we'll hit the 70% double dose. At this stage, we're still saying the end of October, but there is a chance we'll get there sooner given how quickly people are responding, and we're deeply grateful for that.